Well guys, I finally saw Lunar Ruck for the first time and I like it way better than cement. So of course guys, this is only my opinion, but here's some B-roll footage for you guys. It's not a full walk around video of this 4Runner because where I saw it, it was actually at a meetup. So we had a local meetup here in the Panhandle and I didn't feel like taking Brandon's car away from him and just doing my own walk around review of it. I just wanted to just get some B-roll of it in some different light, snag some photos for you guys, get some close-ups on the wheels and stuff for you guys. And what was very, very cool is it was actually next to an army green 4Runner. So the outgoing TRD Pro next to the new TRD Pro color. It looked really, really good in all lights. It wasn't overly green, it wasn't overly gray. It just looked so good. So good in person, and I really, really liked it. And those new wheels, super killer. They didn't look wider than mine. They looked to be the same exact offset, just kind of a deeper dish with them, but it looks really, really good. As you guys can tell in the headlights, obviously these are Morimoto's. He was actually able to wire them up using some creativity because as you guys know, the 2021 4Runners are a completely different housing. And as you guys can see in this footage right here, that is completely the case. So those of you asking, hey, is it retrofittable at all? It is if you guys get specific plugs, but it is not plug and play at all. The high and low beams or LED low beams are actually right here in the old projector housing for the 4Runner. So it's a full module. So this in turn for an SR5 or anything that's not a Pro or Limited is going to be a low beam module, and then your high beam will be your original halogen high beams. On the Pro and Limited though, like these headlights are, you can still see there's a halogen bulb, so Toyota skimped on that for the DRL mode. So you have your high beams and low beams all in this one module, and what was your high beams are literally only a DRL. So why Toyota couldn't just put lows and highs and just have it all the same throughout? I have no idea because it's just a simple module. The main importance of this video is that Lunar Ruck looks killer. Looks so good on the 4Runners, and it also has looked good on the Tundras and Tacomas now that we've seen in photos as well. I have not seen them yet in person, but the 4Runner was the one that I was kind of skeptical about with the color, and it looks absolutely incredible. So if you guys are new around here, please definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers as always, I appreciate your guys' support, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.